Hey there folks, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Fusion tool in the Loft tool in Fusion. So first, we're going to come up here to the Create menu and just toss a cylinder in there, like this. Sure, that works. So now that we have our shape, we're gonna go up here and select Loft. It's gonna be right underneath Sweep, right above Rib, right here on Loft. So we're gonna select our 2 points. And this is really useful for making like specific shapes. So like you can cut stuff. I'm just gonna click New Body for a specific reason. So as you see, we have our profiles here. You know, we can move these around as we want, our points. But if we come down here to this middle point here, there we go. So if you just like push and pull a little bit and just like play with it, you know, you can get different sorts of shapes going. I'm not the best at explaining the Loft tool, but who is really? So, or you could do something like this, which is bad geometry and you don't want to do that. So yeah, you can just like move stuff around and you can inflate and deflate it as much as you want. But the reason why I did it as a new body and not just a join is so that then I can go in here under bodies and deselect body 1, and now you have a pretty rounded out shape, because with body 1 there, you know. But yeah, and now you got like a tulip looking vase. Kind of like how this looks, so I think I'll pop it on my printables. Alright, yeah, that's how to use the Loft tool in Fusion.